Hello, my sweet and precious students. We're going to talk about using powers and radicals with fractions. So if you don't already have one of these guys, make sure to get one from me. It's a lovely little cheat sheet that goes all the way up to here. It's got your perfect squares, your perfect cubes, your perfect fours, fives, twos, threes, fours as in a group. Let's get started right into this. What this says is, hey, you need to do 2/3 2 times. So you're going to write it like this. 2/3 times 2/3. Remember, with fractions, we multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, 4/9. What that says is, another way of writing this would be 2 to the second power and 3 to the second power. Make note that that 2 gets distributed to the top and to the bottom. So let's do the same over here. 3 to the third over 4 to the third. Use your handy dandy cheat sheet. We know 3 to the third is 27. We know that 4 to the third is 64. There's your answer. There's your answer. 4/9, 27 64s. Now let's talk about this. This is a radical. This, if it's not marked, it's a 2. It's a square root, right? Sometimes you'll see a 3, which means it's the cube root. So we are looking for something to the third power that gives us these numbers. Whereas here we're looking for something to the second power. Keep in mind, if it's a big house like this, it can be broken up into 2 different houses. 9 and 16. Conveniently, we know the square root of 9 is 3. We know the square root of 16 is 4. So the square root of 9/16 is 3/4. Looking at this guy, we know that the cube root of 8 over the cube root of 27. We know the cube root of 8 is 2. The cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 more is 27. Multiply it 3 times. That is it. Guys, here are your practice problems. Pause the video, do them, come on back. Here we go. 1 to the third over 3 to the third. That gives me 1 to the third is 1. Over 3 to the third, which we know is 27. This is going to be the cube root of 1 over the cube root of 8. That is going to be 1 over cube root of 8 is 2. All right, this guy right here is going to be 2 to the 4th over 3 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th, if you look on your handy dandy chart, 2 to the 4th is 16 and 3 to the 4th is 81. So we got 16 over 81. Beautiful. Now over here we have the square root of 25 over the square root of 64. That gives us 5 over 8. And literally that is it, guys. Good work. Not less than 2 minutes, but close. I will see you on the next lesson. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks, guys.